All right, we got 10 minutes. You have 10 minutes to say something to us.
10 minutes to turn off that flashlight. Come on, do it.
You can do this.
You know you do.
You can do it all night long.
You can do it all night long. Shut it on and off.
On and off, on and off. Up, down. All night long. It's been tell us you're here. Turn the lights on. And show us a sign. It's like, thank you, turn it on, thank you, now turn it off, thank you, now turn it on again, thank you. When will it be enough? For God's sakes, make up your minds.
You know you want to talk to us. Mateo are cool, man.
Yeah, I mean, come on. Yeah, every scratch, man.
It's like, come on, hey man, we're cool, man.
Hey, man.
Hey, man.
Cat scratch fever, man. It's like scratch. You got a cat scratch fever, this bitch, man. Come on, man.
It's okay, you can talk to us. We're just trying to have some fun on a Saturday night with you.
Yeah, we're the good peoples. We're the ridiculous ones.
We're not loud and obnoxious like you are earlier in the night.
Yeah.
We like to have a little fun, but
Maybe a little obnoxious, but just not loud. Well, maybe a little loud. And that's, but just not the same.
we're classier than
Yeah. We got better class.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Our loud and obnoxious is much more classier than the people
Right.
earlier.
Yeah. I mean, it's still not upper class, but it's at least a lower middle class.
Yeah. But you what potatoes
Yeah.
are
Where you at, Ghost? Are you in the stove?
Not the stove.
Oh, he's in the stove, is he?
No, he's in the boiler room.
Yeah, it's a boiler room. Ah. Definitely getting late.
And that is why we are here.
That is why we're here.
That is why we're here. That is why we're here, to have fun and find ghosts and communicate with ghosts. But they don't want to communicate with us right now. I don't know why. We're fun.
I think they're going to bed. Do ghosts get tired? Do they have to sleep?
Me and Mateo are like mushrooms. We're fun guys. Come on.
Did it? Oh, remove.
You want to remove us from this?
You want us to be removed from the... Oh, you're going to haze us even. Oh my gosh. They're not very... Oh, thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. Okay.
Can you do something special for us so we feel like we stay here?
Yeah, I mean, like, if it deals with, like, I don't know, hazing us or something, beating us down, I guess.
If you won't
Pound us.
If you won't manifest and show yourself, can you at least shut off the flashlights? What?
Bail? Like, leave again. It's still like this leaving thing. I think he wants us to leave.
We will leave as soon as you show us a sign. How about that?
How about you turn off that light and we'll leave?
In a minute? Okay.
Okay.
We can wait a minute.
We'll wait a minute. I'll give you a minute.
I'm telling you, if you shut off those flashlights, at least one of them, we will leave. That'll give us confirmation that you were here and you're telling us to leave. But right now, I need some visual. Oh.
Maybe what? Maybe you're going to do something. Maybe you're going to turn that light off. Maybe we're going to leave. You're just way too vague for us right now.
Give us a definite shut off the light and we'll leave.
Yes. Being far more serious.
If you shut off, if you shut off one flashlight and let us know you're here, we'll start packing. You shut both of them off,
We're done.
we're fucking leaving.
Yeah,
And I
we're
say that-
done.
I would say that with a big F-bomb. We're fucking leaving and shut both of them off. Shut one off, we'll start packing. You shut both of them off, we're leaving. We're
Yeah,
gone.
we'd be done.
We'll pack it in, we'll go, we'll be heading back to St. Louis. otherwise we're gonna keep trying
Until
we run out of
another 4 minutes.
That's all we got left.
That's all we got left. For at least another 4 minutes. It's 1:56.
It's well, you got a minute.
Another minute. It knows what's going on. It's like you're gonna be leaving soon. They'll force you out.
We're not dancing.
Right, we don't need to dance for you.
We're not dancing for you, puppets.
We're done dancing. We've been dancing all night for these fools.
I just want to leave on a high note on in the boiler room.
Yeah, something more than just a maybe.
Yeah, you know, we just want something concrete, something
A little more solid.
a little more solid.
Yeah.
Because this is, I mean, I don't think we were struck out twice in the boiler room before.
No.
This is what it's looking like. I mean, wow.
Just wow.
I mean, this is like, I'm speechless how dead this whole building has been, except for one moment.
Completely speechless. I mean, hear how speechless he is.
I mean,
And that's spelled with a big P.
I mean, that is why we're not here. We're not here
We're-
for nothing. We're here
no.
for something. You know?
We're something.
I mean, something. We're here for some action, some visuals. Give us something.
Something.
Something. We are here for you. Help us help you.
Getting all McGuire now, man.
And that is why we're here.
Show us the manifestation. Show me the manifestation. Show me the manifestation.
Show me the ghost.
Show me the ghost.
Show me the ghost. What was that? Show me the ghost.
I'm just not feeling it. I'm not feeling it.
Just not feeling it.
Just not feeling it. Show me the ghost.
Show me the ghost. I mean, that is why we're here. That is why we're here. For the ghost.
Yes.
Show me the ghost.
Show him the ghost.
Please, shut the fucking light off and we'll leave.
Yeah.
Just do
Come on,
it. Stop being a stubborn little bitch.
Damn.
I know, man.
Just got serious.
Did it? And that is why we were here. Oh.
Uh-oh. You know, that right there, that says it right there. 2 a.m.
I mean, as Mateo would say, All right. Status update, Mateo?
Well, I think we struck out again.
Oh, little last minute K2 hits before we're about ready to pack it up.
Just not seeing it, man. Just not feeling it. There's nothing here anymore. We had something earlier. It started trying to talk to us, told us to leave, but wouldn't turn off these lights, so I don't know what to say about that one.
Yeah, don't know, man. Sorry, K2 hits are just not enough for me. I need a visual.
It's not visual enough.
That's not visual. I need a flashlight to go off.
Just has to happen. But it's not going to.
No,
Fine.
because it's just not powerful. It's just not strong enough to turn the flashlights off, and I understand. It's okay to be weak. Sorry. We understand.
Oh, that's happening. You're right. You're right.
You're absolutely right.
Now wait a minute though. That coincides, so maybe that is our proof. God, Liz, what the fuck? Ah, 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 And on that note,
Okay. What time is it?
it's after 2. They're gonna come get us soon.
Alright. Since they don't want to shut off the flashlight, we're gonna have to shut this down, so. End of our investigation